Kirian Shardae, and I'm back with another video. It's Jackson. Jackson, swear I'm not a YouTuber. Ow, Jackson, why you hit me? Bullies? 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 Y'all, the hurricane. Shut up. We walking down the street. Cause we bored. So this was it like windy. Hey y'all, it's the next morning. I haven't had a chance to really vlog yesterday because I was checking up on my people. From the looks of it, we all lost everything. It's flooded. Me and my family are safe. We still trying to get in touch with my uncle and stuff because he was in a major flood zone. So yeah, y'all just pray for us. I'm glad we got out of there, but it's pretty bad. Like, y'all don't excuse my face. I'm just waking up, and I decided to pick up the camera and talk to y'all because I'm kind of bummed because this is our first time losing our house, but we don't know for sure we lost our house yet. I seen my cousin post on Facebook asking about where we stay because my cousins live down the street from me, and apparently where we stay is underwater. So y'all just pray for us because this is gonna be a hard time right now for Louisiana. Yeah, so I'm about to head back in the house.
if we have to come sit in this line and get gas.
God damn.
But guess what? That's what we gonna have to do. It's called roughing it. You're just gonna have to wait. That's all. I done sat in a line like that when Katrina. Many days.
At least we got somewhere that's close to us.
Right.
And then this is Marathon on this side. The sugarcane fields in front of Marathon.
They told Jamal it'll be 2 weeks before he get back to work.
Damn.
And he had complained. But I told him apply for unemployment for the 2 weeks. Like no
The
time
light
soon.
posts are on the ground. This is in Garyville, like I said the last time. But we still haven't got to us there yet.
I think I'm gonna pass Homewood and go to the new road.
Okay. So y'all see Marathon. Light poles are down.
Look at the light grab
Light poles going down towards Airline. But fall on Airline almost.
Look how that's twisted.
Missed it. Sugarcane field, y'all. Our sugarcane
Oh, they seriously doing the gangster lean up here.
she said it's doing the gangster lean. The stoplight is
Even the stoplight look like it have been had a
it's
little
leaving. Oh well, just pass through it then, y'all. This is pulling into reserve. This is St. John Parish. Trees and stuff. I'm surprised the plane's still up. Plane's still That's amazing.
National Guard building still left.
Yeah.
The VA home still left. The jail in the park still left.
Power line.
Now look at the flag. Look, it's a sun. Show that. Never sign. Oh, look the truck stop. Look, Hero Cafe. Look like their roof caved in.
Yes, thank you, Mayor Cantrell. This is Angela. I personally want to say you have been on
Alright.
the ground. I've been emailing you throughout the night, and you always respond. So thank you for
The
that. This is what
Louisiana
you do.
Cat, they parking lots flooded. Power lines are down. But we about to get closer to where I stay. This is crazy.
Look, that shade. Oh.
Yo, this is crazy.
Where the porta potty at?
Porta potty right there.
making it. Not making it.
Right now, I have not, as of now, I have not been provided timeline associated.
No, I wasn't even trying to go back there. I just wanted to pass and see for myself. I'm going the other way and see how I can get to
They up there trying to fix some lights. Y'all can see they have Google power lines and stuff down right there. Right there, So, yeah, Martin Luther King Highway Road. This is what they named it. Basically, the road. Taking River Road. And they have a back way. We're gonna try to get out our house. But I'm definitely gonna show y'all more because this is crazy. Those people houses and trailers and stuff over there. Trees. This is a bunch of trees, y'all.
More recently, with this recent surge, how are they looking at this?
So our hospitals are
Yep, just
But the
dreams.
building-
That's why when I talk about
Look, this house still
priority
standing.
fuel, I want to make sure that in public
Oh, look
right
at-
of way
look at
areas that are on
Dreams.
generators,
Oh, wow.
that we have the
Little
ability to
nightclub
keep them
place.
functioning at best
Oh,
possible.
man.
In regards to residents, the city
Ooh.
isn't safe for you to return at this time. It's dark at night. We want people to stay in their homes.
check us off the church.
Chapel 2 this
Or
chapel.
Oak Church.
Mayor Kendra, one other quick question, Angela. For those who are listening elsewhere, and have questions, is there an organization supporting this idea that translates into direction? Sure. They can definitely assist us as it relates to food and water, and that would be something that could be coordinated very directly with the city of New Orleans through NOLA Ready. And so what you can do, you can at this time that was set up should we need assistance, and we absolutely do. And I would say the best bet. Got it.
Hey, Mayor, can I just ask you, this is Rory O'Neill. Can I just, we've had a lot of calls. You can hear from women calling,
Look at Pookie House.
desperate. It's a mom, she's home, she's got 2 kids, no power, she lives in New Orleans, she survived the storm, and now she wants to get out, but doesn't necessarily have the means because she can't live a month like this. Talk to her. What should she do?
Right. Well, first of all, it's day 2, so it's not a month. And as it relates to a citywide evacuation post-storm, that would be moving people to the shelter set up by the state in Alexandria. When that information is given, we're interested in that. They have responded that they are not interested. That's where the city would take you. It's not, I want to go anywhere I want to go. That's the thing.
But nobody want to be that far out from home.
Dang,
Understand what
look at the
y'all
trailer. That trailer was already bad off.
You can actually see now when you turn.
I know.
Now, what we are doing as it relates to city assisted evacuation
Look, that little car still there.
for our medical specialty
The fences.
residents
Look down.
have been
And that's
triaged
that way.
and who qualify
I guess he can go through the back. Look, somebody crossing the track now.
and taken to Alexandria, Louisiana,
They
where
running
those resources
power.
have been deployed and activated to receive our people. That is our point of contact set up with the city assisted
That little house right there
evacuation
for
plan
sale.
and
should have been cut them trees.
Shelter-in-place position.
If a tree would have hit that house, they would have been fixing it again.
Yep. You remember the last time a tree fell on it, on this
That
side?
our residents can access cooling stations,
On this side too, was it that
charging, also in terms of miles, which is tied to your question.
We gonna have to go sit in the gas
formula,
line.
you know, that type of assistance. And so that's what we have to offer at this time.
Thank you. New Orleans Mayor LaToya Cantrell with us here on
we could get
Operation Storage
home.
Mayor. You've been so generous with your time. Thank you so much for taking all of that time to join us to get out that information, answer our questions.
It's too loud. The fence and stuff down.
I will do it. Just call that same number. Is that correct?
We can get home.
Look at God. We home.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate
Thank
it.
you, Jesus.
Okay, y'all, we home. We came home. This was boarded up. The roof and stuff is bad. I'm walking backwards. The neighbor's fence fell towards our backyard. Dang, trees down. Okay, minor damage. Dang. This what our backyard and stuff looking like. The neighbor back. Basically the neighbors. So, y'all, we made it home. It's minor damages. And everything is good. Now I'm just with the, oh man. Glass.
I need a flashlight.
Our window blew out. Y'all can see. Excuse me. Okay, so the living room and stuff is good. The kitchen is good.
Huh? Well, he didn't have to do that.
Is that bucket full?
I guess they went in to see if anybody was
Maybe
in the
they
attic.
came in to see if anybody was in the attic, because the attic thing is open.
Okay, so my room is good. TV still there. The attic thing is up.
Still alive. Hey, it's actually cool in my room for some
The
mysterious
water is
reason.
a trickle. Feed my fish, please.
Already. If I keep on feeding like that, I'm gonna overfeed them.
So, y'all, I'm happy to be home and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all across the street from me. Those trees were like very thick. They're thin now. So, yep, just gotta get this fixed. Everything is good. We'll probably go ride out later to see the rest of the stuff. This chair. So, everything is good, y'all.
Okay.
Everything is here. Ain't nobody's stole nothing.
Okay.
Look, I'm showing y'all this. This is the shingles and stuff from the top of my roof. The window is bust out. So, the people across the street's roof. The neighbor's fence is gone. This what down the street looking like. You can see straight up. Yep. MREs and stuff. Like,
Water and ice.
ice. Oh yeah, ice. The line from Regala Park all the way down here to Homewood.
We're gonna have to get in it.
Party place. The party place. Bots. We haven't came this far yesterday.
It's the line.
Gas
I might get over and go back. See, that's why the police riding with their lights on. They could get through.
Oh, I'm gonna go be a police officer.
We got rain
Yeah.
for today.
Yep. It's supposed to clear up tomorrow, but it's still gonna be cloudy.
I see the rain.
Lines. They on the they on the look at that.
It was peeling that roof off,
Crazy.
literally.
And then it stopped. Must have seen something else and
And
wanted.
say, oh, let me go over here. Like a kid in a candy store.
That's crazy. Up close and personal. Look at this. And then when we get to the side, y'all gonna be able to see. Y'all see it? It's leaded. You look at the fire station.
Okay, just right there.
Right there. That's Beltline. These things leaning from that ain't this way.
You want the red light? That's a real one.
I want this one.
Ain't
ATMs that are open, pharmacies.
this is at
you
the
have
park.
tarps, pharmacies that are open. We'll start with Bianca on line 1. Bianca, how are you and what can we do for you? Hello, Bianca. Hello?
College.
Can we get the spotty cell coverage right?
Lion Center, again, will come. It's online, but we'll be coming online for a pod on tomorrow as well. So a co-location of services there. Skelly Playground, 730 Vespasian Boulevard. Meals from 4 to 6 p.m. on today. Both again at the Treme Center, the Cutoff, Vernon Brown, Milne, Stallings, Lyons, Joe Brown, and Rosenwald. These will continue to be functional throughout the day. Of course, 4 p.m., 6 p.m. this evening, and more to come as the days go on. Other pop-up meal locations with the utility on that. And it's beginning again to see progress as reported, but you're going to hear more from Entergy following me. Actually, we know that some parts of New Orleans East started to see power as early as 1 a.m. This morning. Again, we do anticipate additional progress there, but it will be gradual, incremental. But that's what we know. That's how it's always been. But seeing the progress sooner rather than later is absolutely a step in the right direction. Again, Miss Deanna Rodriguez with Entergy is here and will provide more information. Last night, as you know, was our first night under an official curfew that was signed in executive order by me on yesterday afternoon. Unfortunately, hours after we made that announcement, we had one of our own, our NOPD officer that was shot in the head. Gray's wound, he's doing well. Went to visit him on last night, spirits smiling, laughing, but said, you know, hey, I'm gonna stay put because I have AC in the hospital, and I know I don't have it at home, but not making light at all. Not making light at all about what happened to our officer. And so we will continue it on last night. I do want to thank all of our residents, all of our officers, all that showed love immediately once we understood what happened to our officer. So thank you again.
Here, stop.
Why is it?
They up there trying to fix their roof. They got a generator.
There's power lines on both sides, so it's like the wind was coming from across the riverway. Cause look, these on this side is completely down.
Yeah.
These over here leaning, doing a gangster lean.
Doing a gangster lean.
Oh my God! It just looked like
He ain't touched the hay.
If you've got if you want DSNAP updates, you can text LAD DSNAP to 898-211. As I mentioned before, only 2 storm-related deaths thus far, and we expect that to rise because coroners will attribute deaths to the storm that happened after the storm, so long as they're connected in some way.
And this what took so long with New Wine today. On the ground.
the people that was in the line for the one.
He had to swerve.
Now look at this jackass. Look at I knew there was a police or not.
Power line right there. I would love to know where all y'all going. This power line snap.
Now where we see,
Oh, they still got people going to New Wine. That's
because
why.
New Wine they giving out hot meals and cleaning supplies and stuff. And we could go from there.
Well, we in the line. I mean, it looked like it's moving because
We could go to them places over there on the other side. By Planet Fitness.
the car.
Girl, look, the car dealer.
Go Chevy. I say go. Go Chevy.
Wow.
Y'all can see this right here on the ground.
This out of me shit
Shell-
on us with no
The
power.
Shell station.
Guard is activated. 5,659 guardsmen in support of current
They
operations.
got people getting over there.
17 points of
Getting the
distribution.
line. They line look like they moving fast. So.
We gonna go in that line.
Yeah.
And see what we can get.
That Shell station. Y'all, this video is gonna be long as hell because it's just so much to show
Look, the car
y'all.
wash.
Y'all, look at this. This is crazy. Nah, we ain't come this far, but we seen it on video and stuff. All the doors and stuff blew in the garage. The car wash all messed up. So over here is where they're giving away cleaning supplies and food and stuff. So we're hopping in the line to get some cleaning supplies. Shower and room unit. Oh, that's cool. And disaster response. Minuteman. Oh, y'all see that?
You can't even turn in the parking lot because the power line blocking it.
Yeah, that's why they got you going
see that?
around.
Wow.
Look at Dollar General.
Still standing.
Nah, they signed down though.
The stool should have been on the ground.
And the light people are out here assessing the this whole video y'all ain't seen me. Y'all see me with a new hairstyle. I kinda washed my hair. But the light people are out here trying to assess the parish to see the areas that need light to be fixed. That's not that bad of damage. So we should have light soon. So y'all gonna be getting this video soon. Hopefully soon, because I still got a lot of recording to do. Because there's still a lot of stuff that needs to be recorded. Got the Louisiana hat
I
on.
see.
We look like bums.
We just was in a hurricane. Major hurricane.
I'm gonna put a wig on.
I ain't put no wig on. It's too doggone hot.
Yeah, it's too hot for that. I'll be bumming it out with my baseball hat or hat, whatever this is considered.
So how we get in?
You turn it right here.
Okay, because I see something going over there. You see? A line over on that side?
That look like a whole nother line for something else.
Yeah, that's why I'm not understanding. I didn't see nothing but over there. But we gonna get in this one because this look like this ain't nothing.
And it's moving.
Yeah.
Okay, so Popeye's good, so we gonna be able to get our nuggets. Churches is okay. The sign, that Chick-fil-A stuff is still there.
They could have took that.
That's crazy.
That baby could have took that, but she didn't want to play with that.
Okay, so
Oh girl, look Oprah and Dollar Tree.
dang,
Look this line.
that's for Planet Fitness.
Yep. Look, even the movies.
The U-Haul's in the truck. The U-Haul's in the ditch. That's what I wanted to say. The U-Haul's in the ditch.
Can we go check?
Mom gotta get these supplies.
Top of the one sign gone.
So do you want to take the walk?
That was the old movie theater. They were renovating it to be a what it was supposed to be?
Harbor Freight.
A Harbor Freight. But look at it now. Setting it back. They could have kept it a movie theater. Look, Duncan is untouched.
What is sign?
Okay, well, they don't have a sign, but
It's still there.
they're gonna be open. And guess
all
what?
that ice cream, all the
Guess
good lemonade. Oh man.
It's cool because they're gonna get it all back and I'm gonna have me a nice iced lemonade. Heck yeah.
Nola trash
We're going over there.
collection from experience. FEMA is not trying to help. Go apply. What is mine?
We don't need to get all this. I just want to get that. That's why I go ship the package.
They doing the thing out here. This is nice.
Coverage of Operation Stormwatch from News Talk 99.5 WRNO FM New Orleans, on WQUE New Orleans, WNOE New Orleans, WYLDAM New Orleans, KVDU Homa, WYLDFM New Orleans, K24CE, WODT New Orleans, the Black Information Network.
Region stands with our neighbors affected by the recent hurricane. And as your neighbor, we're here to offer support so you can concentrate on the more important things: your family, your friends, your business, and our community. We have a dedicated team available to help with your banking needs. Just call 1-800-411-9393 or visit Regions.com for assistance. Let's work together to help rebuild our community. Regions Bank, member FDIC, equal housing lender.
1 year ago, I lost the love of my life to COVID. We didn't have a vaccine then, but we do now. As a nurse, I knew that was something I can do to help people stay safe from this virus. But I'm just one person. I can't vaccinate everyone.
Carla Brown has gone door to door to administer over 2,000 COVID-19 vaccines, and she needs your help.
If you have not been vaccinated, please go today and get your vaccine. Thank you.
Hi, how can I help y'all? Hi, we'll take a few Powerball tickets. Wait, is that the Powerball mascot? Yes, it is. He's here to share some exciting. Can I guess? How about drawings 3 nights a week? What? That's right. Powerball is adding Monday night to its weekly drawings. You mean now?
That's crazy. All the workers.
That smoke smell like graham crackers.
That store was already closed, but there's damage to it.
They whole gas station morning fell.
They're about to store that little thing. Stinks. Dang, look the sign. The billboard. They working. Got the new ones up. More new ones. Getting these signs and stuff together. Dang. That's crazy. Look. They got more workers. I'ma stop telling you stuff. Cross top root beers down on the ground. It was a church. They lost it. Trees out the ground. Workers. They working overtime. They got us screaming to them.
One of the breakers are fixing the poles from the power line.
Right, baby.
It's poles. Poles. Not pools. Poles. Poles.
Poles.
They fixing the poles. Larry say they fixing the poles. The damage. That place right there where we used to get our donuts from. They lost almost everything. Well, not almost. They lost everything.
This is where roofs caved in and was ripped off. Look a part of that fruit stand. This was somebody's house or something, like a little appliance place.
Oh my God.
The chiropractor, the laundromat, fine dining, petrol restaurant.
The tattoo shop right here.
Right there? Yeah, that's you.
I'm trying to turn right in front of these damn people. We just go this courteous. It's just ridiculous.
Yeah.
Working on the
So
light.
yeah, and I wind up getting. Huh?
Were you caught justifying the charges?
No, because guess what? We a day late and $1 short. because they sell this industrial charge.
Wow. The new car dealership.
We'll pass back that way for you to do it. For that. And that's a transformer line. They had put these cell phone fees. I could go get it from the police for how much they wanted.
I wonder if they had damage to that truck.